Hi, Todd Ward here in the Forecast Center with the latest on the possibility of thunderstorms across the ArkLaTex on your Saturday. And the trend in the models today is better news. I'll talk about that in just a bit as we continue to watch a cold front, which is just northwest of our area as of later on this evening. It could bring a few thunderstorms to the northern edge of the area very late this evening and tonight, and possibility for some showers and thunderstorms mainly over the eastern half of the area tomorrow. So let's take a look. And first of all, the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. This has not changed since yesterday, although the trend in the models is further to the east. And I'll talk about that in a second. But if this were to pan out, we very well could see all severe weather threats on the table, including large hail, damaging winds, and maybe a tornado or two. But the trend in the models today is trending towards better news. So let's take a look first of all at Futurecast. Last night during the late newscast, I showed you Futurecast did show these thunderstorms over the northern edge of the area very late this evening. These storms will move out. And you can see heading into tomorrow morning, just a few scattered showers over the middle of the area. And then tomorrow, as the frontal system comes in, we could see some showers and thunderstorms try to develop pretty close to midday, right around Shreveport. That activity will slowly strengthen as it moves to the east. But again, pretty much much weaker than even what was indicated last night with Futurecast, and the positioning of this is very similar to what it was showing last night, stretching from Monroe to south of Natchitoches. And then we'll see this quickly move out. The clouds will move out tomorrow night. We'll see a rather windy night tomorrow night as cooler air moves in. And Sunday we close the weekend with lots of sunshine and much cooler temperatures. Let's compare that to the HRRR model. Again, this run just coming in, and last night this model showed the thunderstorms developing during the midday hour, basically from about Ashdown to about Tyler, and then strengthening and quickly becoming severe, moving through the entire ArkLaTex during the afternoon and early evening. This is the very latest run. It was about 100 miles further to the west from what Futurecast was showing. This is what it's showing right now. Still has those thunderstorms, just like Futurecast tonight, over the northern edge of the area. Timing also looks very similar. You can see with this latest run of the HRRR, by 5 o'clock, it has absolutely nothing as far as rain, with the thunderstorms well to the east of the ArkLaTex in Mississippi. And then as we go through the evening hours, maybe a few scattered showers and thunderstorms developing over the southeastern edge. But if this were to happen, it's behind the front, and they likely will be below severe limits. And then we'll see the clearing sky tomorrow night and lots of sunshine. So again, we have pretty good model agreement that it's possible that we could escape the worst of the thunderstorms tomorrow. Doesn't mean that we're out of the woods, just shows that the trend in the models is showing a much more benign scenario than especially what this particular model was showing yesterday evening. Now, as far as rainfall potential, again, you saw the agreement in the models. The run from Futurecast shows that most of the area will likely see less than 1/10 of an inch here during the next 24 to 36 hours, maybe a little bit higher totals, 1 inch or more northern edge of the area tonight, and then maybe 1/4 of an inch down towards Natchitoches late tomorrow afternoon. So again, that's the very latest in the models on what we could be seeing on that particular scenario. So your forecast for tonight looks like this: mostly cloudy. Again, a quick band of thunderstorms could be a bit on the strong side tonight. Can't totally rule out a storm or two becoming severe with wind and hail. 55 degrees for the low tonight in DeQueen, 61 in Texarkana, and 66 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow we will see lots of clouds. It'll be rather windy. Again, thunderstorms possible if we have anything as far as severe weather. And as of right now, it looks like that is a big if. It would be probably east of Shreveport and Texarkana over the eastern half of the area during the afternoon. Daytime highs ahead of the front will be in the upper 70s to low 80s over the southeast half of the area. 80 in Natchitoches, 77 degrees in Shreveport, 71 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see again that chance for the thunderstorms tomorrow. Dry weather from Sunday through Thursday with highs Sunday in the 50s, close to freezing Sunday night. And then we get back to normal for the most part, low 60s for the first half of next week, with lows warming to the low 40s. There's a chance we could see a little bit of rain late Friday night, and Saturday morning of next week as some cooler air again returns to the area. Highs next weekend will likely be in the 50s. So again, as of right now, the trend of the models is towards less of a severe weather risk, although it does still remain a possibility with this strong cold front moving into the region. I will have a live update here on the website as well as on my Facebook page this evening at 8:30 p.m.